What's going on, YouTubers? Guddang 775 back with another video. Finally back after all the sidelines life threw at me, the curveballs and whatnot. Went on vacation, then came back to a broken car. PC got messed up. My last remaining PC got messed up since my snowblind kind of kicked the bucket for some reason. It was the motherboard, the MSI motherboard, and yeah, a whole bunch of things happened. But now that's all behind me. I'm back with another video finally, and since I didn't have this video up and ready by yesterday, I'm gonna go ahead and drop two Steam keys in the comment section of this video, in addition to a 3-month Xbox PC Game Pass as well. I'll drop those codes within 48 hours of this video being up. So I'll probably drop on one every 15 hours or so in the comment section of this video down below. Let's keep on checking. It's gonna peak. Alright, and if you folks follow me on Twitter at Guddang775, I am gonna actually give you folks notice that I'm dropping a code in my YouTube video here. You know? And you guys go ahead and look for the code. So first come, first serve, whoever gets it gets it. But now, first video back, I wanna go ahead and do a review on a pair of cans that had some bold claims, okay? Let me get the name of this, make sure I get this right, okay? This pair of cans, now when I bought it, it was $49.99 now. $49.99, alright? That's when I bought it. Now, the price has dropped significantly. It's either on sale or it's probably on sale, okay? This headset has been out for a little over 2000. Yeah, just last year back in November. Now this headset is the Cyan Sound wireless over-the-ear headphones, okay? When I bought them, they were $50, but now the price is all the way down to $30. So the thing is, it came out November or October of last year. I saw them there, and the folks over at Cyan Sound made some bold claims about this headset, saying, wait, I'm gonna read a direct quote. So not what I said, it's what they said. Okay? Right here in the features and details section of this headset, link will be in the description below, by the way. Alright? You will not find a better sounding pair of headphones on Amazon for under $70. What? They changed it! They changed it before. That said $150. That said $150 before. I swear, I'm not lying. They changed it. So they changed it. You will not find a better pair of headphones on Amazon for under $70. Well, I'm gonna put that to the test. Alright, this is the review today. Now, I did the unboxing and whatnot, but due to my PC snafu that I had, my snowblind snafu, then my HTPC snafu with that, yeah, it got lost in the footage got lost. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just do a review on it. Alright, no unboxing. You know, I'll put pictures right here of the box, you know. But it didn't come with much. It came with a case, like I think a leather case. I forgot. I think it did come with a case somewhere around here, but it's been a few weeks since I had this headset. So let's go ahead and check out the specs, what they list here. You have perfectly balanced EQ levels for crisp vocal clarity, deep bass, and texturized instrumentation volume. Actually, the sound is not bad. It sounds really good, actually, for what it is. You're gonna get 30 hours of continuous listening. Now, that's probably at 30 hours at like maybe what, 50%, 40% battery. You might get that. And it takes about 2.5 hours to charge, okay? It comes with a case, wires, the charging cable, USB charging cable, and 3.5mm connection cable. Alright, that's pretty much what it comes with. Okay, if the H5 Music Studio Sound HD Sound Series headphones do not immediately exceed your expectations, we have found that 99% of the time this has been due to initial setup errors by the customer. So if they don't sound good, it's not us, it's you. Alright, that's what they're saying. That's in the description. I'm not lying. Go ahead, I'll leave a link down. Alright, now that's funny. Now let's go ahead and check the build quality, okay? It's plastic. Everything is plastic, Okay, from the bands here, the band here, the cups kind of look like Beats looking cups. That's what it kind of looks like to me, with an egg type shape though. Beats is more circular. This is an egg. So everything's plastic here, plasticky feel, and the headband here, there's not much cushion up there, not much. Okay, slim pickings for the cushion. Now as for comfort, I'll go ahead and try it on. Now if my audio sounds kind of weird, it's because I had another snafu. My Sennheiser MKE 400 mic is DOA. I mean, it's not DOA, it's dead. Okay, I've had this for 4 or 5 years now. I did drop it, so that was kind of my fault. But this was a very good microphone. I have to go ahead and get another microphone. It's gonna hurt, man. The microphones are expensive. But I will get another microphone soon. But yeah, the headband here, no cushion whatsoever. Now the comfort, we'll talk about the comfort real quick. It's okay, it's very light. Let me adjust it. Now if you got a really big head, I don't think it's gonna fit you, because these are, well, they will fit for the most part. See, they're comfortable, they're light, so you don't even need that padding up there, because it's not even, it's still like it's floating on your head because it's really light. Now as for stability, they will move, so if you try to use this for working out, I don't recommend that. These will probably move, especially if you're doing, like, I don't know, deadlifts or something, or you're doing clean and jerks, or you're running. Running I think should be okay, but I wouldn't use it for outside. This is more for like home casual listening and whatnot. And it does sport some type of passive noise cancellation. As soon as you put them on, forms a decent seal around your ears, if your ears fit in them. Okay, I got medium sized ears, and these cups are kind of small for the most part. Okay, but it's very plasticky build. Now, is it worth that $50 build? Is it worth $50? You know, I mean, I paid $50 for it now, and now it's saying it's $30. So you pay for what you get. Okay, you pay for what you get. Now let's talk about the sound quality. Very important. Let's go ahead and play a few songs. I don't know how this is gonna come through. Usually I do my thing, you know, stick it to the top of the camera where the microphone is there, but I'm using the stock camera on the Panasonic Lumix G7 here. I'm hoping it comes through, but I'm not particularly confident. So let's go ahead and my usual song. It's been so long. Got it at full blast. You hear the toot, you hear the beep. Let's go ahead. See, the sound is not bad. It's very nice, very balanced. The bass is clean for the most part. It's not a punchy bass, but bass is there. It's a clean, deep bass. Now, as for the mids, they're okay. A little recessed in my opinion. And then for the highs, they're nice, clear highs. Okay, what can I say? The treble, it's nice and clear. The sound stage, it's a good sound stage. But is it worth $40 to $50? I think it is, just because what you pay for what you get. Alright? Is it the best $50 headset, $40 headset that I've ever heard? No, it's not. Okay? Let's try another song. Oh, wait. Let me see if you folks can hear it first. I don't know if that comes through good or not. I'm hoping it does. I'm hoping it does, but if it doesn't, I'm sorry. I'm working on getting a new shotgun mic. Okay, I probably might get the same mic, or I might get something else, some type of different shotgun mic. We'll see. Now let's try something with words, so you can hear the words, so you can hear the vocals. Listen to Robin. Let's hear the vocals. It's not bad. And you folks heard that. The vocals sound decent, alright? The sound quality is good. It is balanced. It is. I give them that. It's balanced. The bass, it's nice and deep without being too punchy. But I wish it was a little more punchy because I'm a bass guy. And the highs, they're nice and clear. The mids are a bit recessed, just a little, but it actually makes sense because it forms a nice balance. Now, is it worth $30 to $40? I think it is. I think it is. I mean, for what you get the budget build quality, okay, which is a bit lackluster. But then again, it's very light. Okay, it just sits on your head. Actually floats on your head because it's very light. The ear cups are comfortable. I did wear this for about 2 hours at a time, and I had no ear fatigue. It doesn't feel any pressure points. Now, I say if you had a bigger head with bigger ears, most definitely you'll probably develop pressure points and ear fatigue faster. That's always the case. But for me, I didn't develop any after 2 hours at a time listening to these things. Now, I don't know how long I've had this, but I've charged it twice since I had it in the 2 or 3 weeks that I had it. And the second time I charged it, and the third time it was just, oh, I better charge it up. I better just top it off. But the first time, I think I got about 22 hours, something like that, 20 to 22 hours, something like that, because I listen to the music full blast all the time. So you get about 20 out, like close to 20 hours if you listen of battery time. Now, it's not 30, but 20. It's not bad. It's very reasonable. Okay, for a now $30 headset, it's definitely worth that price, I think, in my opinion. If it's $40, it's barely worth that price at $30. $40, I should say. It's barely worth that price. Now, if this thing is $50 or higher, skip. Just skip over to the next $50 headset, something like a Tautronics or like a Langston headset, or even the Bluetooth F2s. I mean, way better than this at $50, okay? But I think Bluetooth F2s are on sale right now. I think they are. I could be wrong. In the States, by the way, on Amazon. But yeah, that's the Cyan Sound HD Audio Music CS H5 wireless over-the-ear headphones. I can never get. Isn't that a very long name? H5 Music Studio HD Sound Series headphones. Yeah, say that 3 times fast. Yeah. But for the most part, worth $30? Definitely. $40? Really close. Borderline maybe. And $50? No, it's not worth $50. Don't waste your money. And is this headset the best headset out there for $70 or less? Most definitely no, it's not. There's other headsets out there under $70 that blow this headset out of the water. Alright? Just off the top of my head, I can name a few. Edifiers W830BTs, Bluetooth F2s, Langston BT noise cancelling headphones. There's a bunch. There's a bunch that's better than this at that 7. I hate to say it, the Bluetooth T6s, they're not bad, even though they suck. But yeah, there's a bunch. What do you folks think about this video? Let me know in the comments down below. You folks have this headset, the Cyan Sound CS H5 headphones. That's easier to say. Let me know in the comments down below if you have this, and don't forget to check back within 48 hours. Follow me on Twitter at Guddang775. I'll leave notifications saying I'll be dropping a code Steam key within a few minutes, and go ahead and check the comments down in this video to go ahead and claim that Steam key. Now, for the most part, most of the Steam keys I think will only work in the US. I'm sorry if you're in another region. I think they might work, and I don't know if the Xbox Game Pass for PC, that's gonna work in the. I'm pretty sure that's in the US as well. It might be worldwide, I don't know. But all the codes will be going into my comment section down below within 48 hours. Probably every 15 hours or so. Check back in the first 15 hours. And you know what? I might drop a third Steam key as soon as this video uploads. Who knows? Who knows? Yeah, it's Guddang775, finally back. Hope folks like this video. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button, let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. I got 2 more videos ready to go. Actually, they're rendering. I'm still rendering them. Thanks to my Ryzen 5 3600 PC. pretty badass. I have the HyperCloud X Alphas review video coming, as well as the Lucid Sound LS35X headset review. They're both coming. They're on their way. Yeah, that should be up by this weekend, maybe sooner. Hopefully, maybe tomorrow. It's Guddang 775. Thanks again for watching my videos. Peace out.